What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let's see if we can get Chris to say hi to everybody. Chris, say hi. That's a nice looking truck, buddy.
You too.
Is it fast? Oh, okay.
You want to race?
Yeah, go. So today we're heading up to our buddy Eddie's house. Well, not house, I should say. If you guys remember, we went up to one of Eddie's family's Napa stores, what was it, a week or so ago? And they actually, I think, just moved to that location. So even though we were there earlier and they were open, now is their official grand opening that we're going to today. It's kind of like a big party slash car show slash grand opening. So we're going to head on up there. You know, I'm gonna race Chris, probably just gonna smoke him, you know, and we'll see what the day brings. Oh, we got Eddie calling us. Yo, Eduardo, you are live on YouTube.
I am live, and I'm trying to figure out where the hell you at.
We're coming up the grade, dog.
All right, 10-4, partner. That's the big 10-4. I'll be there en route by 5 minutes.
Oh, you're not even there?
No, yeah, I had to eat my cereal.
You live like 3 minutes from the place. If I beat you there, bro, that's bad.
I know, that's what I was trying to make sure. So if you're coming up the hill, I still got about 5 minutes.
Oh, it looks like there's the man himself showing up a little bit late. I can't even see him. Hold on, I better turn on the front camera so we can see Eddie in the Viper. There he is. What's up down there, buddy?
How's the weather up there, man?
Oh, it's
a little cold.
It's not warm out here, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, Eddie, I got a question. What's going on, man? How come we don't get to be inside the costume shape? We got kicked outside. Are we too new?
Well, they want
too
all
young?
like the classics inside.
It's a classic.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm really not interested in these classics. I mean, I don't know. It's just not my thing, you know. I'm more of a.
Your front grill painted?
Yeah. My front grill? No, but I got the bezel.
Look at it. We got Eddie's life going on. And you revealed this on you did reveal it on your channel, right?
Not the mirrors yet.
Yeah. Check out the Eddie's Life mobile over here.
Well, so we wrapped that, but it didn't look good. It looked horrible. So we pulled it off. So I bought that grill from the dealership. Painted white already, but then wrapped the mirrors. Because the mirrors you couldn't tell because they're not butted up against another white. But that stuck out like a sore thumb.
Well, dude, how come there's not a giant Eddie's Life on the hood?
Oh,
you're missing out, dude.
No, just
That's
wait.
a marketing opportunity.
Wait till the grill comes.
All right, but
wait
you gotta. I don't think that the Eddie's Life decals are enough, dude. Like you need more.
No, I need way more. Well, this is too small.
Yeah.
It's way too small. So
Yeah.
I need a lot more.
Morning.
What's going on?
What's up, buddy?
What you doing, brother?
You want to got you something?
I'm okay.
I got a bunch of chicken biscuits. What am I gonna do?
Did you?
Yeah, because you always say you've never eaten Chick-fil-A, and I was like, dude, I gotta bring you a chicken biscuit for breakfast. But
Everybody needs a friend like Wes. Hey, I heard we got some new taillights on the truck.
I got a couple
What else did we
changes.
get? Let's go check it out, dude.
I was gonna pull it over next to yours.
We're having our own truck show. We're not allowed into
bring
the
it.
caution tape.
Yeah, I
for the
know. I
channel,
see
so-
they started early.
Dude, they got here at 6 a.m.
Got the Go Recon tail lights, third brake light, LED everything. I think it changed it quite a bit, so I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and black out a lot of that chrome to kind of
we're
follow.
committing?
Yeah, I think we're gonna commit to it.
Woo. They do look good. I like it. I mean, the thing I like about Recon is like you don't have to touch them. That's it.
Plug and play.
Yeah.
The only thing I had to do was buy the reverse tail light, and I went with the brightest ones I could find. I guess some Amazon special.
So you guys see the taillights on my truck, right? They're all blacked out, and they were custom painted, which means they're pulled apart. It's stupid expensive, but if you're going for that blacked out taillight look, like this is a heck of an option, and it's way more affordable than buying lights, then having somebody pull them apart and paint them. And it looks good. And the third brake light, I like it. Oh, we're stepping our game up, dude. We're to the Fox coilovers now.
Yeah, so got the Fox coilovers and then the heavy duty sway bar from Cognito.
Nice. All right, everybody, this is probably one of the first videos you're ever gonna see me wear a forward hat with a curved bill, but you know, we gotta rep the family business here for Eddie. Eddie, what is that? We need one of those. Can we get a bang one of those?
That's Paul. Only Paul comes up with this weird ass stuff like that.
I love it. I love it. Speaking of wheeling dealing, look at this guy. Wes over here trying to find the screaming deals today, buddy.
Why not?
What did we find?
I don't know. I think on this page we can get you a 2-post lift for the warehouse.
for $20,000. That's a little out of my budget.
I'm sure Eddie could work on the numbers a little bit for you. Right?
Okay.
99 cent a can for brake cleaner. That's a good deal. So you
Wes just always wheeling and dealing, buddy.
can't pass that up. Nah, I'm not wheeling and dealing.
So everybody, just ran into Gary, and as you can see, he's rocking our buddy Jack's enthusiast shirt. There you go. Gary, what's up, brother? Appreciate you coming out. I noticed you've got a sweet Duramax here. We've got a 2007. Jealous, I'm envious. I really want one. How long have you had this truck?
About 9 years.
9 years? And you're saying 300,000 miles on it?
As soon as I start heading home, it'll turn 300,000.
And let me guess, still going strong.
Yes.
Nice. What have you done to it? I see you got some method wheels on it. It's a good look for it.
Usual. Went to Mexico. A bunch of stuff fell off.
Nice.
So runs a lot better.
There you go. What do you, 3-inch lift?
Yeah, 3-inch Cognito. Fox 2.0 res shocks in the front, 2.0s in the back.
Nice.
The Method MV305s with the Nitto G2s.
Are those the same wheels Chris is running?
I believe so, 18 by 9. On the other side.
Oh, finally we have a use for it.
When you getting one of these, dude?
This is mine.
Oh, okay. Right? Damn. This truck is clean. See, so there's two different styles of truck. You got like Wheezy style, where all this stuff is like on display full time. And then they built this sweet hatch underneath here with an actuator that opens up to show you all the air ride equipment. This truck is killer. Absolutely beautiful. Check out the interior. It's got a digital Holley gauge cluster there. This thing is clean. Absolutely beautiful. Shifter all the way up at the ceiling, because why not, I guess. See, this is like my style. You take an old car, but you put like a modern-ish interior in it. This thing's beautiful. Beautiful Cadillac.
Probably 64, 63.
It's a 63.
63.
It's longer than my freaking long bed 4-door Ford.
It's got a 6-foot bed. I mean, it's nice.
Yeah, right? Bro, if you took the trunk lid off, yeah, you can store all kinds of tools back here. Chris, would you ever see yourself in a beautiful C10 like this?
Yeah.
I actually really like this color for the old school cars or old school trucks. I mean, it's not quite the Tiffany green or Tiffany blue. Yeah, it's close to that color. I like how they paired it with the accessories, but I think they could have nailed the color a little bit better if they're going for Tiffany. This is like a period correct blue, I think, though. I mean, hey, you're the body paint guy. What do you think?
It has swirls.
Dude, everything has swirls. So, if you guys don't remember Nick from a couple videos ago, Nick is he's the detailer, and all I've been hearing about all day is swirls on these cars. You'll be all right, buddy.
This thing's good.
Hey,
though.
this
thing's sick.
can you buff this back like my Ford? Can you get this back to?
No, this one's not painted. That thing over there is painted. Actual painted like rust. It's
Yeah.
sick.
So, you know, we got a lot of nice classic restored cars over there, but I just met Ruben, who just drove out here. And Ruben's like, I want you to go look at my piece of junk. And I'm like, what do you got? He's like, I got an OBS. I was like, a piece of junk. Come on, bro. So here's Ruben's OBS. Ruben, what year is this thing?
It's a 96.
96. All right. I like it. It's 4-wheel drive. You already got one up on me.
Yeah.
So obviously this is a 460, but you're planning to do what with it?
I'm gonna put a 12-valve Cummins in it.
Nice.
Pretty soon, so.
Yeah, I don't want to buy it from you, dude. I want to see you finish that project out. I think that would be
appreciate it, man.
That'd
Appreciate
be sweet.
it, yeah.
And I mean, I'm already jealous of your paint job.
Yeah, I seen the video, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen the video.
Your paint job is a lot nicer than my paint job.
The original one too.
Is it?
Yeah, the guy kept really good care of it. The one that I got it from, so.
Nice.
Oh, so this one I was telling you about earlier.
You're gonna restore the paint though, right?
Painted.
We're going to bring that
Made
back.
to be like, feel this. It's literally
No. Don't touch. Look, please don't touch.
I don't touch the engine.
All right. Now, this thing's beautiful. What is it? A 46 Divco mail truck. Milk truck with an LS3 in it.
Sick inside.
This thing is badass. This thing is so sick.
Ticket for, looks like Bev.
I've got a love for old like bread trucks and milk trucks like these. These things are absolutely killer. Sweet custom interior. Ooh, the interior is beautiful. Uh-oh, got a little AccuAir E level going on. Nice. A little bit of wood paneling in here. Sweet bench seats. This thing is sick.
We got.
This is how hard Eddie works for you guys.
So, Chris.
For his YouTube channel.
So, Chris. Hey,
an
help.
odd interview angle here.
Hold on, I'm interviewing. Look, it's adjustable. A little higher. There you go. So
A little more hip thrust.
hold on. Let me turn it like this. Oh.
Beautiful 1956 Ford. This thing is just absolutely beautiful. I like how they tied in the purple on the interior. Also like how they darkened up the wood in the bed instead of keeping it light. Kind of keeps with the whole dark theme of the truck. This thing this thing is straight up solid wood. Like the doors are completely wood. Piano hinge on it. I drive a giant lifted truck because I'm worried about other people hitting me when I'm driving. I would not want to be in a Woody. Like, no way. Check this truck out. I think it's a 56 Chevy. And it looks to me, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure, was that like a 90s bed on it, Chris? Or is this just me? Am I crazy? I mean, it was well done, matching up the newer bed to the older truck. What do you guys think about this? Curious, are you guys cool with the mating up of the older bed, or the newer bed to the older truck? Check this out, guys. We've got an original window sticker here for a Malibu SS. I don't see what year it is. Maybe I'm blind and I don't know how to read it. What year is it? Am I missing this? Here, it'll say on their little thing. 64. 64, 3,600 bucks brand new. Wow. The power top was a $53 option. Tinted windshield was a $20 option. Look at the Power Glide transmission, the most expensive option on the truck or on the car. It's 200 bucks. I don't know. I think the cheapest option on our truck's like 800 bucks.
Limited door steps. Even those are like 200 bucks.
Yeah, that's crazy. We've come a long ways in vehicle fees. Now, you guys know I like stuff that's like really clean and showy and new. But one thing I have a real love for also is rat rods. And some of you guys have seen some of the crazy diesel rat rods out there. I would love to own like some kind of chopped, like old Peterbilt or Mack truck and just turn it into a complete rat rod. This rat rod is pretty sweet. I mean, I just love the like random details that they put on, like the chain around the radiator guard. Let's see what we got on the inside. A lot more chain going in. Look at this thing. This thing is gnarly. Look at the steering assembly. Look how the steering column comes off with the gears that they welded on there. Absolutely awesome. Look at the steering wheel. That's crazy. Oh yeah, absolute death trap, but they look cool. Look at this, we got another original window sticker here. 57 Bel Air. Total amount, $2,846. Cigarette lighter was a $2 option.
Yeah, I told the sales guy, I said, I'm not paying that.
You don't want to pay that $2 for a cigarette lighter?
It was a leftover. They said it was a leftover. I said, what do you got that's left over from last year? I said, well, we got this, and it's 60 years old.
So what is the Carl's Jr. number thing?
That's just to let, most people don't know the years of cars. So that's why everybody.
Gotcha. I've been seeing that a lot. I've been going to a little bit more higher end car shows lately, and I've been seeing the Carl's Jr. numbers.
Yeah. When you go to a Concours show, you won't see this shit. You won't even see the car hop. They're not into that. Me, I'm about period correct.
Gotcha.
You know, this is 1957. This is what, and you can tell that this is not an aftermarket car hop tray, because if you see one that's wider and just hangs on the window, that's a copy.
No, I love it. I love seeing this kind of stuff because,
original.
Well, you know, I know what the sticker on my truck was, and then I like to come look at, you know.
Right. I have a new Toyota pickup, and you know, I got a window sticker and I laminated it.
There you go. That. I always save mine. They're always in the glove box.
It makes the value go up.
Yeah.
Laminate it. You know, if you ever go to sell it, stick it on the window, say that's what I paid for it.
There you go.
You know, I want money because I take care of my.
All right, well, I'll give you $2,961 for it. There you go. Don't hit my truck. Rev it up. I want to hear it. Woo. Sounds good. So why don't we hear the turbo anymore?
What happened? It's a turbo, it's the whine tune.
Is it?
It just opens the vanes up, like closes them all the way, so it really just whistles it like.
Gotcha.
What kind of turbos is this?
It's a single turbo, 67 millimeter again.
67 millimeter?
All right, guys. Well, today was a pretty sweet show. I really like coming out to these shows where you see like more of the hot rodder community, because these guys just throw some absolute insane money at their builds. And it's nice to see kind of like, you know, this is probably what we're going to be doing in 40 years. We're going to be hanging out with our buddies still, going to car meets and truck shows. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, please click the subscribe button now, that way you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.